There's something about watching old things become new again. This is an old Tonka truck found in pretty bad condition, but by the end of the video, we're gonna see it looking brand new. That windscreen cracked. He's actually going to completely remake that, taking apart every little piece. Did you know that Tonka began as a gardening tools business in the 50s? And they just made toy trucks on the side. But soon, the toy trucks became their main business. It's estimated they've sold about 15 million dump trucks since they launched the company. You might want to go to your garage and check if you have an old mighty Tonka dump truck, because these things are worth some money. If you find one in pristine condition, it could be sold for around $500. That's not bad for an old toy, right? Rims on there. It's coming together really nicely. So he's actually sandblasted all of the old yellow off and then completely redone the yellow. The iconic Tonka truck yellow. Listen to that, all real steel. Something so satisfying about seeing it all fitting back together perfectly. Tonka trucks were made to be super sturdy. They were actually made out of automotive grade steel. Here we go, first steps. Now, do you guys remember the mighty Tonka dump truck? It first came out in the 60s. When it was first made, it actually weighed almost 5 kilograms, which is kind of heavy for a child's toy. Yes, let's shine up that grill. Nice. Headlights go in. Oh, it's so shiny. Isn't it nice just to see all of this dirt come off? Oh, so white. Well, you'd never know that that was the condition this car was found in. So he's actually going to completely remake the windshield. Look at this. So making a completely new mold from the original. On go the final details. I've never used my oven for that. Actually, I've never used my oven, full stop. Tonka trucks were so iconic that Barbies back in the day were for girls and Tonka trucks were made for boys. Obviously, that's all changed. Here we are, before and after. What a gift. Oh man, anyone would be happy to receive that. That's cool.